Branchia or Tennessee 1 year, Ninamu has the neck of South Africa, and I'm going to surgery. Nurudeen, South Boy, no, were the best defensive midfielder for the Ukruma. Local league in the defensive midfielder, and the and you call ye Kotoko Agadas Koya is a player who play the best defensive midfielder for the Ukruma, dear Abdul Aziz Nurudeen. Bo, Allah walai. On your mom, trying to be so, why the bush catcher, catch Only born papa. Na Adeba we came and JS potatoes na Accra Sports Stadium. Oh, say them we put mine na any fluke. Accra Sports Stadium supporters about dumping. Accra Sports Stadium or monitor has the folk. Just as the folk Accra.
Well, Prince, me and the enemy say it's going to be a difficult game. Under the influence of Maswa Knedu, say Osha has to focus. Na meaning before the game say, any easy game for House of Fuku. But as to say, Masokron waiting another way, no, now idea na me because it was House of Fuku. What won the first league, the first game, and what elucidate RTU. So back to Accra Sports Stadium, no. Now me how Masokron do every team akose. How we see House of Fuku. We see the House of Fuku efforts no. Obetime side biwana. But Obio game Nibiano, ebe there dance say it was a tough game. It was a very, very difficult game. But if you're a good team, if you're a big team, if it's a game, you find a way to win. The game, that's how we're a good team. We're a big team. You find a way to win. And has to folk, so 8 win. And the red card of Philip Ofori,
match on can so terrible 11.
Chairman.
It can be a different story.
And the red card early. 33rd minute, red card. And almost pray. And especially the second half, they gave Hasselfolk a good run of their money. Okay, it was a tough game, but me the name say any easy game for Cape and Hasselfolk.
Look at Krabi has a picking the first win.
I not hearing sign before the game. Not hearing see. They made them there a supporters attendant. My idea, super attendant. Na misra because see the difficult moment for a team. Baby abet me fall your supporters. Tenio, team be kwa hu him normal. But nyo beti me akotone so, na atone so ye. Now we assured say hwe enya no your supporters. 104.9. The moment our supporters every down machi di amount no. No okono I change the amount. And so when they lost to RTU, I won the game and I said, yes, House of Folk will have to get a result, sir. Ebe savage almost season, you know. There should not be any way because Omunya a fine preseason. Though they lost to RTU, but they played very good football. But see, in that regard, now who will be our connoisseurs of the game, also who say yes, the has ever ball Accra Sports Stadium. Probably, so Omutimi a revive you Omutimi a positive result.
Okay.
Yes, Omunya 3 points in the day, but it was a match they really struggled.
Yeah.
Omu pray. Fantastic. Omuchire say yes. Your coach Omu pray and son of Maseno. You when you are going to play against a team, now psychologically, team is ahead of one on the coach here, you are 90% down. But you start here and a wow striker. Some can also say go. About 4 minutes per panai. Let them
104.9 FM.
Ojena Malam goes so.
Kashara.
What tomb?
But you got
they really make my weekend so exciting.
Mother